Hello, my name's Steve. I'm a floor layer, and the purpose of the video, what you're about to see, is to see how two new concepts actually work in conjunction with each other to achieve a vinyl Trimitre in clean rooms and controlled environments. And what we've come up with is this, the cutting corners Trimitre, which is basically a preformed seamless Trimitre which is going to replace the free-handed method of installing standard co-former in clean rooms and controlled environments. So now we're in a position where we've installed the cutting corners seamless Trimitre, which will give us a nice radius for the co-former and ready for the application of the vinyl. We're now going to use the cutting corners Mitre maker to create a mitre into the vinyl. And we place it onto the vinyl, make sure all the edges are butted up nice and straight, and then just simply use a pencil to get the shape onto the vinyl and put a mark here, and that's the 200mm setting point for the co-former, and basically just draw around your shape. So what we've got here now is an outline of the Mitre maker onto the vinyl, and what we're going to do is cut the shape out. This gives you a more uniform, consistent mitre on completion. So what we do now, we offer the vinyl up to the bottom of the co-former, the setting point, and we just put the insert in along the vertical joint all the way down and roll the vinyl up onto the co-former, making sure it sits nice and neat right onto the Trimitre. What we do now is we cut down the left-hand overlapped vertical joint. All what's left to do now is to roll the vinyl onto the co-former and onto the Trimitre and cut in the joint, and it's ready for welding. Okay, now we've actually installed the vinyl using the cutting corners Trimitre and Mitre maker. What we've now achieved is a perfect radius on the Trimitre, and across from that the vinyl sits nice and neat onto the co-former, which provides the client with a nice, easy to clean surface and reduces any chance of bacteria or other contaminants building up in probably the most critical part of a clean room or controlled environment. And it doesn't really matter who fits the internal mitres, whatever their skill level, we end up with the finished products like this, which is relatively easy to weld to complete the installation.